when you see the opponent this turf and never start the second map, my bad. I won the first map because one rules, and I won the second map. You can see never start 5-5 excuses on this turf. I won the first map because one rules on every court, and you can see this turf I delete because I won. Look at this. They're gonna kick me. I don't know. So first.